So इसी में अगर while you're at it,
I'll come to the document.
I don't want to dislodge your way of thinking, but just if you could refer to the documents once again, just a recap.
I'll take my
What was his nomination? What was the certificate?
बिल्कुल मैं पहले सर अपना वो लिखवा दूं most grateful. So my lord, here basically what I am saying is that Mr. Hamid Raza would have issued the ticket to himself, being chairman, and if he had contested as SIC and was returned, then the requirement of, in my formulation one, of SIC having at least one directly elected general seat member would have been met. But this was, for reasons best known to him, not done. My lord, third formulation is
इसका
that,
facts जरा
sorry sir.
I mean, sorry to dislodge you.
नहीं sir,
We just want, because
I'm just going to
a
write
recap के इसके documents दो क्या थे
Absolutely sir,
बस.
absolutely.
There are two things to a nomination.
मेरे ज़हन में एक चीज आई है which I missed, so I'm just noting it down. Just remind me of it. My lord, आ जाते हैं. So my lord, first of all, I'm going to Mr. Hamid Raza's paper book. Mr. Hamid Raza files nomination papers on 22/12/23.
Right.
In his declaration on oath of nominated person candidate in the nomination form states, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittihad Council, Alliance PTA in bracket se hai.
This is tab.
This is tab B, my lord.
ठीक हो.
This is on the 22nd of December, sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, which is tab C. And then, my lord, on the 13th of January, the party affiliation certificate of PTI is submitted by the gentleman.
That's the only certificate submitted.
That is, but there is a contradiction then in tab E, because both these documents, my lord, इसमें सामने डेट नहीं आ रही, but I think ऊपर से हम देख सकते हैं कि ये भी 13/1 का है stamp paper. So his party affiliation, these two things go in hand according to my submission. So my lord, his party affiliation certificate is of the 13th of January, but his section 66 declaration, which is on the next page.
जिसका टैब सी देखें आप, इसमें तो एक्सेप्ट हो गए. रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर ने 30 दिसंबर 23 को इनके जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर हैं साहबजादा साहब के, ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिए.
बिल्कुल कर लिए सर, बिल्कुल.
30/12 को.
Yes, my lord. जी. Yes, my lord.
ये डिक्लेरेशन में उन्होंने फिर पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ नजरियाती लिखा है. स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन. वो है किसका? नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म है किसके?
My lord, nomination form, this is a difficult question to answer because there are three positions. Nomination form says SIC in alliance with PTI, but as I submitted, there was no legally, and I don't think it's the case that there was an alliance, the case put up. Then the party affiliation certificate is of PTI.
So the nomination papers were accepted on the strength of that alliance.
Yes,
because
my
my form में initially there was no ticket affiliation.
That's right. Chief.
So whatever the candidate mentioned, the nomination papers were accepted.
Absolutely,
And
my
when
lord.
the declaration was filed at the time of submitting the affiliation certificate,
That's right.
the declaration says Pakistan Nazariyati, not PTI.
No, it doesn't. And the
What is the effect of this declaration?
Because, adding to that, I think, I mean,
My lord, this is a
67
contradiction. There's
Sure,
a massive
We
contradiction.
want to push you in that direction. We understand it probably requires some interpretation on 67.
That's right.
That we'll take care of. But the question is that the certificate, as far as his story is concerned, the certificate of the party is of PTI.
But the statement, then I will, the statement on oath, the affidavit, in terms of the most sacred document or the one which is, if I had to choose out of these.
But in any case, your case, if I understood it correctly,
It changes further, sir.
no, that if you come back to tab D,
Ji, sir.
which is the PTI certificate,
Ji.
dated 13/1/2024,
Ji.
and signed by Barrister Ghor Ali Khan,
That's right, sir.
you say this is void ab initio anyway.
In any event. Bilkul, my lord has. So, my lord,
Mr. Skandar, before declaring I'm here.
I'm sorry.
Before declaring him as an independent candidate, did you seek his explanation about his party status?
Sir,
Or you declared him independent of your own?
my lord, I didn't declare him of my own. What I submit, my lord, I'll answer, ji. May I refer to, so in response to my Lord's query, what I would say is that I acted on his application, which is at tab F, and I can get, again, my Lord, I'm sorry, my Urdu is not the most fluent, I can get Arshad Saab to read this, but my submission, my Lord, is, and it's for my Lord's interpretation, of course, is that I received an application from him saying, please now convert me into a independent and issue me a symbol, which he asked for was shuttlecock. That was in the symbols for the pool for independence, but that was taken, so he was allotted tower.
He asked you shuttlecock because the symbol of Nazariyati was what?
Symbol of Naziyati was batsman, my
Batsman.
Lord. Ji.
Independent.
My Lord, have I answered my Lord's query? Ji? Grateful, my Lord.
And in the statutory declaration, it is further stated, which we have read so many times, that the affiliation certificate is attached herewith. So this was attached or not? Nazariyati.
My Lord, वो जो हमारे record में जो attached आ रहा है वो PTI का है. जी. My Lord, I have filed as received. I may submit for Mr. Justice.
ये देखें जी, जो ऑर्डर है ये एनेक्स सी, जो इस पे टैब सी है, ये ऑर्डर जो है ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर साहब का ऑर्डर है 30 दिसंबर 23 का.
बिल्कुल सर,
जब एक दफा पार्टी इसके नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स एक्सेप्ट हो गए
जी सर,
तो उसके बाद ये सेकंड इसके बाद ये 14 दिन के बाद की बात है.
सर.
1 दिन दिसंबर का
बिल्कुल सर.
और 13 दिन जनवरी के.
My Lord.
उसके बाद ये नॉमिनेशन पार्टी कैंडिडेट जो है
जी.
ये नजरियाती का आया है.
That's right.
तो
My Lord.
इससे कोई इसके बाद एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद इनको कोई नोटिस इशू करा गया था?
My Lord, may I answer this? My Lord,
इनके पेपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुए या इसमें कोई लिखना है?
नहीं, my Lord, इनके papers, my Lord, again I will go back to for my Lord's response to my Lord's query. I'll go back to the point I made or the submission I made earlier, is that my Lord, वो जो election, I'll go back to the election program. The election program and the Elections Act allows the election program and the Election Act envisages that the final date for submission of party affiliation certificate is not, and I'll show some more forms to my Lord where उन्होंने लिखा होता है साथ, as I had submitted, sir, that party affiliation certificate shall be submitted at the time of application for allotment of symbol. The law recognizes this, my Lord, because section 67 says...
At the time of acceptance of nomination paper, I don't think that they mention the affiliation of party.